Good morning, teachers and students. This is Bryce and Ephraim coming to you from Bulldog Bites headquarters. Today we will be creating a tutorial on finding the GCF. We hope this helps.
So the way we used to do it back in elementary school is we used to take both numbers and just write them out, and then you would just find all the factors that go into them. So if you divide it by 1, it's 1 times 18, 2 would be times 9, and 3 would be times 6. Then you just do it to 176 also, so 1 in 76, 2 in 88, 4 times 44, 8 times 22, and 11 times 16. Now after you do this, we would just find the highest number they have in common, so that would be 2. You'd get GCF equals 2. But we're going to show you how to do it with Euclid's algorithm, which is basically you're going to divide the larger of the two numbers by the smaller number, and then you're going to keep dividing the remainder of that into the divisor until you get 0. So to show you what that is, it's 176 divided by 18, and 18 goes into that 9 times with a remainder of 14. So 9 times 8 will give you 162. So your remainder, oh, not 18, I meant 14. Your remainder is 14. So then you're going to divide the remainder into the divisor. So you'll do 18 divided by 14, which only goes in there once. So your remainder is now 4. So once again, you're going to divide the remainder into the divisor. So 14 divided by 4 goes in 3 times, and your remainder is 2. Again, you'll divide the remainder into the 4, which is the divisor. 4 divided by 2, that goes in a good even twice. So since you have a remainder of 0 now, the last divisor you divided by becomes your GCF. So since 2 made it even, the 2 is going to be your greatest common factor, which we got before.
Alright guys, that about wraps up today's session. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you are having any issues with your subject, topic, or homework, please fill out a request ticket in the link of our description, and we will be happy to make you a custom YouTube video. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.